Campsite na sobrang lawak, maaliwalas, madaming activities and may river access. Halika't itour namin kayo dito sa Buhay Resort in Magallanes, Cavite. When we got here, saktong mag-aalas 12 na. We paid for early check-in fee kasi 2 PM pa talaga yung check-in time nila. Kagandahan lang dahil madami nang aalis na nag-camp the previous day, nakapwesto kami sa area na pinakamalapit sa CR. Mahalaga to sa amin kasi may kasama kaming toddler. Malaki yung outer playground at napakalawak ng takbuhan. Meron din silang mga sports equipment and board games na pwedeng rentahan pero kailangan mo lang mag-iwan ng ID. May mga tables and chairs na pwede nyong gamitin for free para magsalo-salo at madaming duyan for everyone to use. Meron silang river access, bababa lang ng stairs. Hindi na kami nakapunta doon kasi tinambad na kami dahil medyo mataas at may bagets kami. Isa pa sa pinaka natuwa kami dito is yung CR kasi madaming cubicle and well maintained. Sa labas naman ay madaming washing area. Pwede din gumamit ng mga saksakan for charging your gadgets. Meron din silang non-aircon accommodation for couples or group of 6 to 8. Pwede ding makigamit lang lutuan nila dito for 300 pesos. At night, you can get cozy at their huge bonfire setup. During our stay here, natsyempohan lang siguro namin yung very dry at wala masyadong hangin na panahon. Kaya always be ready with your fully charged portable fans. Kinabukasan, we were greeted with a very peaceful and serene morning vibe. Here are the rates nga pala for your reference. If you want to book, you may message them through their Facebook page. Kaya if gusto nyo ng nature trip away from the city to reset and recharge, subukan nyo din dito sa Buhay Resort. So ayun lang guys, till our next trip. Bye!